The first step to installing AlmaLinux is to download its DVD ISO file, which is available on the AlmaLinux official website. Link in the description. Give a name to your machine and choose Linux as the type of your operating system. You should set the RAM and processors for AlmaLinux OS. You can set the storage space as required. 20 GB is the ideal one to start. Now VirtualBox is ready to use. To start the machine, select the AlmaLinux and click on the Start button. Now, you need to select the first boot menu option using the arrow keys and press Enter. The first step during the installation is to select the appropriate language that you want to use. Choose the installation destination option to select the virtual or physical hard drive on your system. You must have set a root user password and set another user as well. Finally, click on the Begin Installation button.